Well, hello there, people. Right, I've been away. Yes, I've been starting a new job, so I've been on probation. Anyway, right, we've got a couple of hoovers today. Today's going to be Hoover Saturday. So first is abyssal upright. You can take these things apart with a screwdriver and take ages to do it, or you can just take them out of the yard and get what you want from it and get it disposed of quick and easy. It's outside work, but it's quick and easy. It's better than sitting in your front room getting it all dirty with dust and rubbish and whatever from whoever the hell used it last. Dust is skin, people, not in my house. Okay, on with the show. What we have here, yeah, quite well, decent-ish Hoover. I've learned from last time I ain't going in there. No way, thank you, Bob. What it does have is a lot of cord. So, snip, snip, and then we'll get the motor out, and sadly, the rest of it is going bye-bye over there. Considering it's the 15th of December, it's not that bad, it's not snowy at all. So, the ice is stopped as well, so that's good. But I am wearing my luxury mitts here. Keep my hands warm and also just in case any of this plastic that's been outside, when it gets hit by the axe on my snips here, do tend to explode. So I don't want any of that chunks cutting me. So, yeah, just trying to take care of myself for once. Also, it never looks good showing up to work with cuts all over your hands. Okay. So, anyway, you know, stripping that ain't worth it. Oh man, that doesn't even sound. One. Now we need a bigger utensil. We've learned from experience, we're not going to go in there, so we're going to just, hopefully, I think that's the release for this crap. So if we can take it away. Oh, I don't want to go anywhere near. Oh, hold on. Right, now forget it. If we undo this, this becomes unsealed, and the stench inside is released. Forget it. Plan B. See if we can gently pry into here. Okay. That's easy the other way of doing it. Two hands. Okay. Watch this camera fall off. Fall off, please. Okay, we see our wires, and we see our prize, the motor. So, in here we go, rest in the bin. Right, so I'm just going to snip this last bit of wire, which just runs to there, out, and that's what we're keeping. So we put the plastic. It's good night from you, good night from me. I'll take that apart for the copper. I'll probably keep the rubber, the rest of it we'll see how heavy it is. This, cut the plug off, take the brass pins out. The rest is not even worth stripping, as you've seen in my previous videos. So, into the big raw mail bag of unstripped wire. Currently £2.20 a kilo, so that's not bad. The rest of it goes in the bin. Okie doke.